Hi, and here's an example of how we use the color code to find the value of a resistor. The example we're going to take here is what color bands should be used for a resistor with a resistance of 85 ohms plus or minus 10%. The first thing I want to do is take a look at my color chart here. So here's the resistor color code, and I'm just going to take a moment and write down what I have here. I have 85 ohms. I'm going to leave a space where we'll fill in for our multiplier. And that is plus or minus 10%. All right, so the resistor has 4 bands, and the 3 to the left are going to be really close together. That first band tells us about the first digit. So I want to take a look at what 8, our first digit, would be. According to the color chart, that would give me a gray band. So that means my first band will be gray. Second digit is just the second digit. So I'm going to take a look again at my color chart, and I'm looking for 5 this time, and I see that 5 corresponds to a green band. So my second band is going to be green. Now we get to the multiplier. And I've got to ask myself, well, what times 85 is going to give me 85? And really, if I take a look at my options for the multiplier, the only one that's going to do that is a multiplier of 1, which means that my third band must be black. So that means I multiply 85 by 1, it gives me 85, and I have a black band. All right, the last step, that plus or minus 10%. This is our tolerance, and our tolerance is that lonely little band. It's the 4th band, it's the lonely one off to the right of my resistor. It can either be black, gold, or silver. So already that narrows it down. If I take a look at our tolerance, I'm looking for a tolerance of 10%, which is silver. So my last band is going to be silver. So color bands for a resistor of 85 ohms plus or minus 10% must be gray, green, black, and silver. And that's it. We're done.